Hey guys, it's Cassandra. I'm back again with another DIY. Today I'm actually going to be making two little pillar candles using these items that I bought from the Dollar Tree recently. I've been wanting to do them for a while, so I'm just showing you here that you'll need diamond wrapped, you'll need some pair of scissors, you'll need some glue stick, and a glue gun. I would recommend using E6000, but I actually don't have any. I don't have any on hand, so that's why I'm using Gorilla Glue sticks. So I'm just sorting out everything and how I'm going to be putting them together. My son actually was right behind me and he was giving me ideas of how I should stack them, and I did originally want to make a big tall one, but because I only had these products and I couldn't make two of them, I decided to split them in half with his recommendation because he was the one who decided, hey mom, it looks better like this way, so I decided to do it like that. So this part coming up is pretty self-explanatory, just like in all my DIYs. I am hot glue gunning them all together. So I have sped it up for you so you guys don't need to sit there and watch me glue them all together. So there we have it. The first one is completed. Now on to the next one. And there we have it. They are both completed for this part of it. Now on to the diamond wrap. So I'm just showing you that I've already pre-cut my diamond wrap for both of the pillar stands. Now, to be honest, there was probably a way easier way. That sounds funny, way easier way. There was probably an easier way of doing this, but I did it this way because this is what I did. I didn't really have any way or thought process of when I was doing this. I just did it on a whim, and this is how it turned out. Just adding a little bit more bling on it because I thought that it needed it. And there we have it, my Glam DIY blinged out pillar candle holders. That's a tongue twister. I hope that you guys liked this DIY. If you liked it, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!